So if you're watching this video, probably you or your loved ones is suffering from tooth pain or dental pain, and I exactly know how horrible it can be. There is a fact that tooth pain comes second in line of intensity, the first being labor pain. So in this particular video, we will be covering 5 home remedies which work effectively well to reduce tooth pain. Hi, I'm Dr. Sneha. I'm a periodontist, which is gum specialization, and I'm the clinical head of ToothMedix Dental Clinic. So if you are having tooth pain, probably it means that either there is an underlying infection due to dental cavity or a gum infection, or it can be a cracked tooth, or it can be pain related to a wisdom tooth. Now these problems have to be diagnosed and addressed and treated properly in a dental clinic by a qualified dentist. So these home remedies that we will be discussing will only give you temporary benefit from pain, and the ultimate goal is for you to visit your dentist and book appointment, and in the time being this will be helpful. So the number one way is cold compression. So very easy, just take a couple of ice, just wrap it around a small cloth, make it like an ice bag and apply it on the affected side over the skin. Now do this alternatively, so 10 to 15 minutes of cold compression followed by 10-15 minutes of rest, and again you can apply the ice on the affected area. Now the second way to get rid of tooth pain is rinsing. Now most of the time when there is tooth pain, we see that there is certain food that is stuck in that particular area. So rinsing will only help to flush these debris out. So what you can do is to take little lukewarm water in a glass, add little salt to it. This salt will additionally give antibacterial properties, and rinse with this water for a few times, and you will see certainly there will be a relief in the pain. The third way is to use antiseptics that are present at your home, especially in your kitchen. The first being a turmeric. Now turmeric has an active ingredient called as curcumin, and this has a high antiseptic property. So again, make a small solution of turmeric and with water, but make sure you use a good quality organic turmeric over here, and then you can use a small cotton bud or a small cotton ball and apply it over the area where there is pain and leave it for some time. Definitely you will find relief. In similar lines, garlic can also be used. It contains a natural ingredient called as allicin. Now this again helps to fight the bacteria and also helps to reduce the levels of bacteria inside your mouth. So how to use the garlic? Just take a few cloves, crush it nicely, make it like a paste and apply it on the tooth and around in the affected areas. I know your mouth can stink after this process, but definitely tooth pain is worse than the mouth stink. The next thing that you can use is clove oil. Now clove oil traditionally have been used in our Indian culture to reduce a lot of pains, muscle pain, tooth pain, etc. Again, clove oil is readily available in the Indian market. It contains an active ingredient called as eugenol. So this naturally numbs the nerve endings which is present around the tooth and helps to bring down the pain levels. Now coming to the bonus tip, now if the pain is extremely high and all these home remedies do not work and you are not able to reach your dentist because of some reason like traveling, or if it is late at night and you are not able to sleep at all, then what you can do is to use over-the-counter painkillers. The safest painkiller available in the Indian market is paracetamol. For adult, it can be a dose of 650, or a combination of ibuprofen and paracetamol, which will again work well for tooth pain. But remember, this is not a long-term solution. For decreasing tooth pain, we need to find out why the tooth pain has occurred. That means we need to diagnose the underlying problem with your teeth, and that can only happen if you visit your dentist. So I hope this video was helpful. Get well soon. I hope your tooth pain and all your dental infections are gone soon. Please do subscribe to this channel and follow for more such dental updates.